Now this is diesel engine two stroke. So in this case you can see here a pump is there. This pump is
Fuel pump.
open fuel pump which run by engine itself. When engine rotate, this pump will operate. Okay, and through this pump, fuel pump, the fuel can enter to this cylinder by this pipe. Okay, and this is the fuel injector, and this injector can inject the fuel to this cylinder. Okay, now there are some ports. This port is the inlet port. Okay, this is inlet port, this is exit port, this is water cooled chamber, water cooled port, and this water when required to reduce its heat, it can surround this cylinder surface. Okay, now first of all, when this piston in this portion, that is stop dead center, this air inlet port will open and air will enter to this this crankcase through this port. Okay, and this will fill, and when expansion will take place, you can see that this pressure will generate on this section and air will be pressed and it will pass through this port and enter to this cylinder. And when further it will compress, the air will be compressed here. Air will be compressed here and huge temperature rise due to the compression of this air. When air will be compressed, during this time the fuel will be injected by this fuel pump, and the spray of this fuel occurred by this fuel injector, and suddenly due to the temperature rise by the compression of the air, a combustion will produced at this clearance volume. This is the volume where the piston cannot move up to this end point. At this clearance, this volume is called the clearance volume, and at this clearance volume the combustion will occur and huge pressure will suddenly generate, and when this pressure will generate, a thrust will given to this piston and it will expand. When it will expand, combustion gas will exit through this exit port, exhaust process will occur, and the same time when the gap will produce at the cylinder, this air will try to move in this port to fill further this cylinder. Okay, and behind it, this is the flywheel, heavyweight flywheel. It will rotate it by inertia, and already you know it stores some energy. When expansion will take place, it stores some energy, and further due to the inertia it will rotate and release the energy by this flywheel, and continuous rotation of the crankshaft will occur. Okay, you can see that here no spark plug is there. As you know, for petrol engine or SI engine spark plug is required, but diesel engine there is no spark plug is present. And here also no carburetor is required to mix up the fuel, because the air is compressed during the compression process, and due to the temperature rise in the air, suddenly fuel inject and combustion will take place. Okay, now in this case a compression will take place and huge heat will generate due to the compression, and for the spray of the fuel which is coming from the fuel injector, from fuel pump to the through the injector, it will combustion will take place. Further, when the combustion will take place, it will expand, the piston will move, will expand, process will rise, and when the exhaustion will take place, this port will open, and this is the exit port. Through this exit port, the combustion product, that is gas, will release from this section. Okay. Now, no carburetor is present on this internal combustion engine, and no injector, no spark plug is there, and fuel pump and injector is there. So this is the diesel engine. Okay. Now we can see that this first one, that is one, is the crankcase. This is crankcase. This is crank. This two is crank. Okay. 3 crankshaft. This 3 is the crankshaft. This is the crankshaft. Okay. This portion. This is the crank pin. This is crank pin. This is connecting rod. This is the 4, that is connecting rod. Piston. This is the piston section. Cylinder. This is cylinder. Inlet port. This is the inlet port. Okay. Where air will enter, not the fuel will enter. Fuel will enter through this injector by the pump. Exhaust port. This is exhaust port. The combustion product will release through this through this exhaust port. Water passage. This water will enter through this when the temperature will rise, and it surround this cylinder and exit. So for the cooling purpose, this water is work to release the heat. Flow candle, glow candle. This is having the glow candle. Just a auxiliary part is given to watch the candle, which can watch what the condition of this cylindrical portion can be observed by this glow candle. Just this is the auxiliary part, not required always. So injection nozzle. This is the injection nozzle. This is a nozzle portion which is connected with the injector, and through this injector nozzle the fuel will pass and enter to this cylinder. Fuel pump. Fuel pump. This is fuel pump. You can see here 12. That is 12. This is fuel pump. Fuel pipe. This pipe is the fuel pipe. Okay. Fuel flywheel. This is flywheel. Okay. So this is the overview of the two-stroke diesel engine.